Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. In today's video, we'll show you how to find IRA contributions on your W-2 form. Many people get confused because sometimes it's not listed clearly. Don't worry, we'll guide you step by step on where to look, what box it might be in, and what to do if it's not on your W-2 at all. Let's make it simple and easy to understand. There are different types of IRA contributions, and that's why we've come to this article to get the correct information. A lot of details about the W-2 form are available here. You will find the link to this article in the description, and you can read all this information by yourself. As we scroll down in the article, we see a subheading titled How to Find IRA Contributions on W-2 Forms. In this section, it explains if you made your own Traditional IRA or Roth IRA contributions, like from your bank account, you will not see them on your W-2 form. The W-2 only shows money your employer paid you or took out of your paycheck. So, if you made IRA contributions by yourself, you will not find them on the W-2. Instead, your bank or IRA provider will send you Form 5498 in May. That form shows how much you put into your IRA. But if your job offers a retirement plan, like a SIMPLE IRA, and you add money through your paycheck, you can find it on your W-2 in box 12 with code S. This shows the amount you saved from your salary into that plan. If it is a SEP IRA, it usually doesn't show on the W-2 either. Your employer handles that on their tax forms. Apart from this, you'll see that they've also tried to explain it using a small table. If you want to know about a traditional IRA, it's not available on the W-2 form. You can find it on Form 1040 or Form 5498. Similarly, if you want information about a Roth IRA, it is also not available on the W-2 form. You will find this on Form 1040 or Form 5498 as well. If you're talking about a SIMPLE IRA, then yes, it is available on the W-2 form and it will show up in box 12 under code S. If you want to know about SEP IRA, it is not available on the W-2 form. You will find that in your employer's tax return documents. And finally, if you want to learn about 401 and 403 plans, they are available on the W-2 form and will appear in box 12 as code D or code E. So, this is how you can find your IRA contributions on the W-2 form. If you want detailed information, the link to the article is in the description.